So, this came out of nowhere. Apparently, I was about to react to the clip that came out today. Well, more yesterday, more besides, and I'm going to talk about it. Kind of. So, I'm going to try to talk about it better I can, but if you usually comment on that, I'm going to have to aim about it. But I bet Super Dons, thank you for and we're getting there way more for the comments. I am so happy about that. Why? Once again, I have fans team, I think I have fans, and I found my boy Johnny and Superboy. I love this kid. I'm trying to do everything right, and looks like that ball off and Superboy, so I mean, so, yes, be fun. Hey, got me today, and we're about to read the exclusive clip that did premiere, kind of, sort of. More enjoying more like 5-cent clip, well, more like 10-minute, 5-minute clip enjoying, and I'm gonna tell you as best I can. Now, you probably want to tell me, I thought you didn't want to do reaction to the show, couldn't you? You said you're not a fan of that. I'm not. But here's the thing, though, the exception, because I need to tell me I love about Superman, I love, okay, never mind, I love Superman, my favorite team, I love this comic, I love this team, everything ever, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm very excited about it. So yeah, it should be fun. Oh, yeah, by the way, I think we'll give it time to him to now. He actually told me about this, so thank you for telling me this. And hoping I just realized to actually go through it and not get blocked. We'll see about that. So yeah, it did actually fail, then I'm gonna have to do a plan B. What's plan B? Well, you'll find on your own to look it up or not. If the video gets blocked, I'll probably do it to video and do it. Yes, I'm not a fan, I'm no sorry. But cause they have to have like a test run. Again, what they mean by that? Well, you'll find out. So enjoy about any clip. Yep. So enjoy the show. See ya. Alright, as you can tell my intro, you can tell about this news. Why? You'll find out. Look this. So now I said, no, I'm not a fan of doing this kind of super small, but I'm gonna show you the color. That's why I have to. That's why I picked my pick a lot more bigger, and this is super small. Look, I'm not a fan of this idea, and I'm hated. But you know what? I have to improvise, cover my best I can. So yeah, let's get about this. Yep. See John running. Oh yeah, I think they're all muted. Damn it. Stupid thing. Yeah. Yeah, see John running. And then the sheep and it goes up. As you can see. Yep. See? Sheep aim and explodes and hit the bird. And the thing explodes. I'm sorry I'm apologizing a lot, but I can't wish comment yet, so yeah. Like I said before, join everybody in the actual story going. I know what they're doing, and I'm very happy with it because one, it looks like everyone's sleeping kind of very happy. Yeah. 3, it's Junkin, but then he's keeping it. I'm very happy. Yep. And continue. Yep. Yeah, freak that. Oh Lord, actually. Yes, I read it. I totally did experimental. Yep. Oh, he's crying.
Son? Leave me alone! I'm your father. I can't leave you alone.
Aw.
Sorry, kid. It's in the contract.
No, seriously, Dad. Something's wrong with me. I'm a freak.
No, you're not a freak. You're no more a freak than I am.
Dad, you wouldn't understand.
Actually, he does.
I might.
Yep. Superman! Yep. Yep. And that's the end of Clip Nutshell. Like I said before, I'm sorry to invite the Superman ball. I could come in here to go that guy. And it looks like they're doing everything one of a Superman fan. As a Superman fan like me who loves Super Sons, I am so happy they're doing this. And I can't wait to watch the movie. Yep. And that's the current show. But we find Phil going out John and I can't wait to watch the movie. And you better I'm buying the movie. I'm buying the movie. You're gonna buy the movie, make me better and awesome. So again, Savage Chris super small. But I can't cover my ass. That's what I got. So yeah. If you want like the full screen John, I'll put the link in the screen, but you can tell me how the movie. Yep, I can't watch the thing, so we'll see. Yep, and that's the current show. But no, we got a new screen about Superman. I can't the movie just out. We'll see. Yep, and the current show. But final, as you want to also see my favorite game, also my family, I love John and Superboy, Tiny Boy, but I don't really care. And join me that clip we got to be saw on John, that clip we look at the bottom of Superman Rebirth. And I'm very happy with Halloween. 1. It looks at the bottom for Volume 1, Superman family, that may have it. 2. It looks at everything but the movie. 3. John coming on John. They look at everything and may have it. Because I am super at that time I do, but heck. Wait! I said it that I died. The series was over the best thing we had in the past decade. This book of my Mr. Superboy, this series says Superboy is a great series. And the fact that my ministry get destroyed for garbage drives me insane. Holy shit, and you know my thoughts on Ben's beer. I just so him up beer, I'm not gonna know me, but it's about to say, I love Johnny Doing Tango Boy. Sue me. I love his character, and I love his character. And the fact that this movie did everything I ever wanted, especially Johnny to see John explore some of his powers. Kinda so I know what he been in the first time, it's pretty cool. And I'm sorry that bought him for the Leo stuff. Because, damn it, all the Leo stuff. Sue me. I am very happy to see this movie. Especially when you see John and kind of calling, you know, what's kind of sad to blame, but it's so cool about the Leo stuff, may have it is. And this could have been everything I wanted for a Superman fan. And John, but the movie? Oh, the movie, everything was I'm so happy. And I cannot wait to see the movie after New York Comic Con. You better have seen the movie New York Comic Con. This is probably number 1, baby. I'm very happy with this. Now, Germany and Britain together article in general, actually, we don't know what actually they got about. Okay, I do know this though. We know Germans were drawing the story. We're ready to have Germans good later. And back in, he actually kind of on Twitter, I did talk to him on Twitter, and he actually liked my tweet. So I have it. So, I may have it. Now, John for the primary man before, as I said, this movie is dealing with but he kind of like John trying to control the power first, and it's also going to deal with with Starlo. And we know Starlo the main villain of this movie, well, it's a trailer show after last year, so it makes sense. No, not last year, more this year. Okay, you know what I'm referring to, yeah. So it looks like maybe Starlo may have it. Now, judging by that clip in John, will we get to see more on John developed powers? Will we get to see more on how he developed power as naturally not for John when he when John goes for the soldier? So we can see more of that. It's possible we can see that John. It's the that much of the Leo still Superman Leo and the Doctor kind of Super and stranded into one. I think this can work. Now, obviously, they're going to do GMA for. They're not going to do any volume one series. Cast starts coming. I know I'm confusing everything more complicated than it is, but during the movie, just talking about more and more fun Superman family Leo stuff and volume 2. What they mean by that? We'll find out. Yeah. What we're going to talk about, but you got the Super Saiyan taking spot starting at the Superman Leo stuff and volume 2 trying Super Saiyans. Super Saiyan, what we say. So, it's a volume one from volume 2 from the series, it was actually a great book, by the way. I do on volume 2, I love that book, but you know my point. So, it's a volume one from volume 2, and I'm actually from both Super Saiyans, Super Rebirth, and maybe not Teen well, maybe Teen Rebirth, and about that as well. Then I think we're going to see a good time. And I'm really excited for this movie. As I said before, Battle Superman is my most top favorite movie out of coming this year. And I'm very excited to watch the movie. Yes, again, I'm coming to the Coca meeting, but I love that Coca meeting. And I cannot wait to watch the movie. Overall, this is happy news, this is great news. I'm super happy to watch the movie. Like, October 18th cannot get close enough. And when this movie comes on Blu-ray, you better not buy more on Blu-ray. I'm buying more on Blu-ray because I want to support it. If this thing succeeds, maybe, just maybe, and a small one I hope, maybe I can do it back at the comics. Now, obviously, I just wish for filming, I can admit that, and I'm kind of actually like getting my hopes up. But the dream can after someone baggage from bad Duncan stories, I can good stuff, damn it. And I bet can't watch the movie. Always having it, the cook with the main, thank you, actually, I'm doing an awesome story. And I can't wait to watch the movie, see at the, I can't wait to see a movie at the, not be able to see, I'm gonna be straight down, go watch the movie New York Comic Con. Hope I get to meet you there. I do want to meet you, you're a great guy. I do want to talk to you in person at a meeting. And I can't wait to watch the movie. Always happening, I can't wait to watch it. But until then, we ends. Little dog. I think that's for it. I don't include all the thing about on Batman Superman Battle Superman in the crypt, so John can't talk with new superpowers. Convo in the crypt. Do you like it? Do you like it? Also, you can people on Twitter. Scum channel with superstars. free to the bell kind of song story for the character. One more thing, if this video gets, walking via screen, then I'll probably make a part 2 video because I want to say on part 2 because when I want to say right, and if this one fails, consider my idea of a backup video. I know that's confusing. I'm not fan of that. I know it's not fan. But you know what? I had to improvise, so consider being John kind of like a two-parter. Well, not two-parter, but you know I'm going with this. Please don't come wrong. I'll try to give. But super then. Super. Well, summer's over and I do everything we're kind of winter. But you know, point. Super. Bye.